Hello everyone, this is AT from ForexPreparation.com. Today is Wednesday the 24th of October and it is 12:30 London time. Okay, we have some releases coming out of the US today, the existing home sales, and also the CPI number coming out of Australia. This is pretty much what we have from the fundamentals, and we have some other releases. Actually, the calendar is pretty full today, but these are probably the most prominent for today. Now let's look at the technicals. Yesterday we were talking about the price action that might be taking place, and pretty much our guess was right, because as you see we have this pennant forming here, and as I said, this resistance level, which is 1.4250, has been slightly broken, but as you can see, the price is again below this boundary, so it is a very strong area which was not decisively broken. So at least we are going to see today more action than yesterday, and most probably this action is going to take place to the downsides, and it is going to favor the bears. Okay, if we construct these two sets of parallel lines, we can see that this might be the beginning of a downsloping channel, and most probably this is going to result in a drop in prices. Okay, let's go to the US dollar Swiss franc and see what is happening there, or actually what happened yesterday. Pretty much the same level holds because of this correlation between those two pairs, and this support level appeared to be very strong, and our price just touched it, and it still hasn't broken this barrier yet. Okay, so again we have the similar pattern forming here, and this is our continuation pattern, which has been already formed, and once this level of 1.1780 is broken, we can more decisively say that our uptrend is going to be continued. If we go to a larger time scale, for example 8 hours, we're going to see the same thing. We have this resistance area, which is at this level, approximately 1.1800, and if you want to know more certainly that our price is going to climb up, then we should wait for a decisive break above this barrier. Otherwise, if our price drops below this level here, or this is a little bit below 1.7020, then we should be prepared to see more bearish bias. Okay, now let's go to the British pound US dollar and see what happened yesterday there. We had more price action here, and much of the profit that the sellers took was already collected at this point here, because the price just erased all of its profits and went up to the same area where it left the previous day. And if we go to a daily chart, we'll see that our relative strength indicator is still above the 50 level, which is a little bit confusing, and it means that that the price hasn't found grounds yet, and it is still confused whether to choose the bearish or the bullish direction. So pretty much we can say much about this pair, and as we know, the British pound US dollar and the Euro US dollar are pretty correlated to each other. So if we have some mixed signals with this currency pair, then we won't be very certain for the euro dollar pair. And once again, when we go back to this pair as I said, we should be waiting to see a break above any of those two boundaries in order to be able to say which direction our currency pair will take. And I recommend that you wait at least a decisive break above this area of 1.4185 in order to be able to say that the price action is favoring the bears, or that our price chart is going to continue its fall down. And actually, if this happens, our first target is going to be this level of 1.4135. Then our next level is going to be this support area here of 1.4045. If we go to a larger time frame for 8 hours, a very important zone is going to be this area of 1.4050 approximately. And then another way we can perceive the market action, or actually our price target, is if we choose Fibonacci retracements, and just do that. Okay, so our next price target is going to be at this level where the 38 Fibonacci retracement area is. Then our next area is going to be the 50 level, and then our next price target is going to be the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, let's delete those lines and once again go to a daily chart. We can see that our divergence is still valid. The price hasn't popped above the most recent high, so the thing that we are looking for is most probably a continuation of our downtrend. And we can see that if we draw this line here, we have a break below this this trend line on the relative strength indicator, which is another confirmation that our price might continue falling down. But I propose that you just wait and try to see whether the price would fall below this area of at least 1.4190 before you take any action. Okay, thank you very much.